Hello and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to make pillow donuts. Okay, so let's dive in. I'll be needing my all-purpose flour, milk flavor, sugar, yeast, salt, egg, vanilla flavor, and butter. So I'll be dropping the measurements on the description box below. Okay, so a clean bowl, I'll start combining my ingredients together. Okay, I'll first of all go in with my flour, and I have to go in with my milk flavor, my sugar, yeast, and I have to combine. Okay, some salt, I'm going to make a hole at the middle of this bowl and going with my essence, my vanilla essence. Okay, I'll equally go in with egg, so I'm going to use my wooden spatula to combine them together. At this point, I realized that the wooden spatula wasn't going down well, so I have to go in with my hands. I have to combine them until I get a crumble-like texture. So I'll be going in with warm water. This is half cup of warm water, but I didn't finish it up. I'll be going in gradually with the warm water. So at this point, I guess the warm water I added is enough to combine this to form a dough. So whenever you notice this kind of thing, just know that the water in it is enough to form a dough. Continue to combine this until a dough is formed before I have to go in with my butter. Okay, I'll continue this process until this butter is nicely incorporated into this dough. So at this point, I'm going to be kneading this for 20 minutes, hard kneading. Can you see how it is going? I'm going to sprinkle flour on my working surface and start kneading. I'll continue to knead for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of hard kneading, I'm going to beat this for 25 minutes, making it 45 minutes, both kneading and beating. I'm going to cover this with a cling film to rest for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, I'm going to open this up, and this is a proof that this is a nice dough. Okay, whenever it is like this and it doesn't tear, just have it in mind, it's a nice dough. I'm going to sprinkle flour on my working surface and start rolling. Okay, I'm going to roll until it is flat, not really flat. So this is actually the consistency I'm needing for this kind of pillow donut. So I'm going to be using my cup to form a pillow donut. I have to first of all use my cup and dip it inside flour. Then I have to stamp it on top of the dough to form a pillow donut. So this is what I need. Okay, after that, I'm going to use an parchment paper to allow them to proof for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, I'm going to allow this to proof for 40 to 45 minutes. So this is 45 minutes later. I have to start frying, and you have to fry this on a low heat. It doesn't need any high heat, just low heat for 2 minutes, and this doesn't take long to fry. Just fry and turn. Within 2 minutes it is done. And guys, our pillow donut is ready. And if you're still watching up to this moment and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you and see you all in my next video. Bye.